hello, and welcome to SrikarTV. Myself, Nani.
Myself, Bunny.
We are Marepalli brothers. We are here to review on yesterday's match between Kings Level Punjab and RCB. It was a one-sided match between these two teams.
Yes, bro. This is also interesting match in IPL. And Punjab made a massive total.
It was KL Rahul, the captain. He scored 132 runs in 69 balls with 7 sixes.
Yes, bro. In the starting, he was going to settle in the ground, and in the last 3 overs, he banged the ball.
Yes, especially the 19th and 20th over. He scored totally 50 runs in both these overs.
Yes, bro. In the 19th over, which was bowled by Dale Steyn, in the first 2 balls, KL Rahul hit a 6 and next ball 4 by completing a century, and in the last balls he hit a double sixes. In 20th over, KL Rahul hit Shivam Dubey massively by hitting 2 fours in the last 2 balls and 4 in the last ball.
Rahul knocked Shivam Dubey massively. He hit 2 sixes and a 4 in the last 3 balls of Shivam Dubey, who was bowling well in the first 2 overs. He just gave 10 runs in 2 overs with taking 2 wickets, but in the last over he had totally given 23 runs.
Yes, bro. I have an interesting fact about that. Rahul is the only captain to hit highest score of 132 in IPL.
Yes, he is also the highest individual scorer from India.
KL Rahul hit 132 runs not out in 69 balls and hit 7 sixes and 14 fours.
Yeah, he was brilliant. He had a strike rate of 190 plus.
Yes, bro. In the last over, he was in a strike rate of 247.
Yeah, he was so dangerous yesterday.
Yes.
Rahul's second century in IPL format. He is the third batsman in IPL history to score the highest runs. First is by Chris Gayle, the universal boss. He hit 175 runs in 2013 against Pune Warriors. He was so dangerous in that match.
Yes, bro. The second highest scorer is none other than Brendan McCullum, who hit in the first IPL match in 2008 against RCB.
Yeah, it was great seeing in the first match of IPL format.
Punjab scored 206 in 20 overs, and KL Rahul scored a big total of 132, and other batsmen as follows. Mayank Agrawal with 24 runs in 20 balls, and Puran with 17 runs in 18 balls, Maxwell in 5 runs in 5 balls, Nair in 17 runs in 6 balls.
The RCB bowlers restricted the Kings level batsmen in the first 10 overs but couldn't perform in the last. Chahal was great with his ball. Also Shivam Dubey, who took 2 wickets in this match.
In RCB's innings, this time openers failed. Devdutt Padikkal, who performed well in last match and did not perform well in this match. He was duck out in this match. And Aaron Finch scoring 20 runs. Washington Sundar was the only batsman to reach 30 runs.
He was awarded the purple cap for his economic bowling and a wicket in yesterday's match. The spinners performed excellent in yesterday's match. Both the spinners of Punjab took 3 wickets each. Ravi Bishnoi and Murugan Ashwin.
Bro, you know, RCB was all out at 109 in 17 overs.
It was a poor show of RCB batting yesterday.
Yes.
And Kings XL Punjab won the match with 97 runs.
Yes, bro. After the tiebreaker lose in the first match for Punjab, this is the first match they won in this IPL.
Also, bro, today is the match between CSK and DC, the legendary captain versus a young captain.
Yes, bro.
Let's see what the match going to turn out.
Please do subscribe.
Like, share, and comment to SrikarTV.
Do not forget to click on the bell icon for more updates.
Stay tuned for the further updates of IPL.
Thanks
Thanks for watching.